Hey everyone, how's it going? Hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to show you guys how to download Zoom, and this is actually very easy. What you need to do at first is head over to Google and search for Zoom download, just like so. As you can see, do you have Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, whatever? So we're going to select on Windows. From there, as you can see, we have 64-bit, 32-bit, and if you don't know what is your system requirements, you can just click on this one, or you could go into your um, settings and then go to about in under system. If I just go to about, as you can see that it says for me I am on the 64-bit. So whatever is your system type, you wanna download that version. So we'll head back. So click on download 64-bit. As you can see, it has been already started here. And once it gets downloaded, you could just go ahead, run the exe file, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.